Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Instagram app not working on Realme mobile. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library, here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search Instagram app from here. Click on Instagram app and click on storage usage. If you want to fix this problem, so click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, go back to home screen and enter your phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Instagram app not working on Realme mobile. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.